Alright, so today we're going to be unboxing this Works Bell steering hub kit, also known as a standard boss kit, part number 413. So this is for a range of Suzukis and Mazdas, and this one is for a Suzuki Carry DA63T. This boss kit was purchased from RHD Japan. So if you're interested in purchasing any aftermarket or OEM parts or wheels for your JDM vehicle, please visit RHD Japan. Link for this item and the website down in the description below. And just a note here that this is ACS certified, so we're talking about a pretty quality part here. So let's get to the unboxing. As you can see, the box is pretty plain here. And Customs didn't want to open this one, so alright, so what do we have here first? We have some literature. Wow, serial number, certification. That's pretty wicked. Then we have some instructions, I believe. If you need translation, let me know. Installation instructions, I believe. They look to be quite generic, so I don't think they're specific to this part number. But it probably applies to most steering wheels. And then the boss kit itself. So some sort of warnings. What's really important with these is you don't over torque the bolt to the steering. If you do that, you're gonna have a bad day. Alright, first accessories. So we've got our Allen key, and we have all of the set screws and bolts. And then we have some sort of cap, brass cap. I think they were referencing it in the instructions. Probably something to do with that. Then we have some grease. Awesome. And then we have the locking nut and the washer. So this is that one that they're warning us about, not to over torque. Alright. And here is the actual boss kit itself. A bit heavier than I thought, which isn't a bad thing. Here's the boot or the dust cover. And here's the boss kit itself. So as you can see, we have a contact surface, and that's probably what this cap is for. Pop it on to your steering wheel where the horn goes, and then you have that contact, but we'll figure that out. And then I'm guessing that's where you'd put the grease. Here's the hub kit. There's the plug-in for a horn or a horn button. And then this one, yep, it's marked for the top. So installation should be relatively straightforward or the same as any other boss kit. So exciting. All right, so if you're interested in seeing an installation video, please let me know in the comments below, and we can set that up. Otherwise, yeah, once again, this was purchased from RHD Japan. For any aftermarket or OEM parts for your JDM vehicles or wheels, please head on over to rhdjapan.com. Links for this item and everything else from RHD Japan in the description below. Thank you very much.